Today I'm going to show you how to find and follow someone on Polarsteps. So if that's what you're looking for, let's get straight into it. Alright, so from your dashboard directly, you'll see on the bottom you have Me, Guides, Activity, Notifications, and Explore. What you're actually looking for here is Activity. So once you go into Activity, you'll actually see that currently I'm not following any travelers yet. But if you click on the View All, you will see a list of people over here. So these are the suggested. This is now from my contact list. You can go ahead and you can click on Follow. This is one way of doing this. You'll get a requested button now, and that means that there has been a follow request sent to this person. One of the other ways you can actually do this is go to the Explore page on the bottom of the right hand side, and here you can see right at the top there are some pages, some articles, some trips, there's some collections. Let's go down over here and you'll see inspiring travelers. You can actually go ahead and follow any one of these. And then you can go down, there's a long list of some of the more inspiring travelers. So you can go ahead, you can click on follow, and these people will then get that follow request. If you're going into collections, perhaps let's go into this one over here. You can also go and see that each one of these collections, each one of the trips in the collections have been made up by a person. So you can go ahead and actually go into the event or the trip that they are traveling, and you can actually find the user and you can actually follow them too. So let's go ahead, top right hand side. You can see that's the user's name right at the top, and there is a follow button. There we go. There's a few ways of following someone on Polarsteps.